So, uh, today we are going to show you our new feature that is called product rate. And obviously, it is our version of pricing and promotion because you can set up not only pricing and promotion but all other attributes for your flights and air services. So, let's quickly dig into the newly revamped user interface. As you all are aware that we have a sheet version of pricing and promotion setup and a focused view. Now we have created a unified view from where you can set up every kind of attributes, actions. Either you need to block something, either you need to specify carrier criteria or publishers or fare provider or offers. Everything is unified into a single screen, and hope you'll be liking this new setup. So let's move into that screen. I have that opened already, and here you can see that this is the newly designed screen where we have the search criteria on the left. These are predefined, these are configurable. We can configure specifically for any kind of business. And on top we have defined actions where we can set up offer, block restrictions. We have replace or mask airline, carrier criteria, publisher setup means Amadeus, Galileo, whatever publisher you want to set up, and there are one way to return and all other things. And I have created some of the predefined setup for this particular demo, and that will contain specifically the offers, the block test, and then the block 5 days, like the next 5 days we do not want to sell. We have also set up test criteria, and for Dubai, we have a different setup for replace 100. So we have uh, replace amount and percentage, these three configuration, but for clarity of the data which will be reflected on the user interface, we have used replace right now. And here you can have multiple different search criteria from where you can search it by template also. Like if I only want to see the block restriction, I can select the block and only block will come. I can clear the result anytime. If I just want to make sure that on JFK what all offers are applicable or what all rules are applicable, I can search it here and I can see that with the destination JFK, I have set up the only one uh, FI airline code that is preferred. So whatever the default preference we have provided in our API setup, we have now control over destination, our country, our city. We can block them, we can do whatever we action we required. So here also, like I have on the JFK, I am having American and VS, those are block. And again, I have offers here where all the LHR to JFK I am offering it with $10 or £10 with the replace one. And let's clear this result and quickly go into the demo. So this is our newly demo application, and there are default dates selected here. So for JFK, let's try to quickly search it. And we can only see the FI airline because the only allowed airline on the JFK was Icelander. And you can see that the offer is also applied, which is the $10. And here is the $10 offer, which has been applied on this particular JFK. Now, I can also disable the rule. I can delete the rule. So let me disable this particular rule for the FI airline, which has been defined as preferred. Whenever We will be searching for the JFK. So I just need to save this one, and it's saved. In the meantime, let's go to the another search, which is the block 5 days. And if I let me take this one, every journey, everything is blocked till 5 days. So let me search here, and this should fall into the 5 days, and you can see that we do not have any results now. Again, as we have disabled the airline preferences, so let's search for the JFK again, and we should have more than one airline. Earlier it was only FI, so now we should have some of the other airlines also coming from the search result provider. And as you can see that we have many of them. uh, everything is coming here, so all the available airlines are coming. So we have put something like the test, if there is any disable rule, you will see it this in a grayed out. The offers has the blue color coding, the block has the red one, and for Dubai we have set up the replace 100. So let's go to DXB and try to set this up. So you can see that everything has been $100. Similarly, we have different rules here, which can be set up as an active. This is the familiar template, but it has much more cleaner look this time, where we can have a clean view. We can add or append dynamic fields also. And like if I go here with the block rule, I can see that this from now is here. I can also assign this rule on a specific template, like the offer setup or the replace airline. So this will, like, on a generic rule, I have a replace airline for every destination, but on a specific marketing airline or destination, I want to block that particular rule. So I just need to go and create a block restriction with like JFK. I don't want to do any kind of replacement. So I just use as in template replace a line and save it, and it will be applicable for those. Every replacement will not be applicable on this particular destination, and all these combination we can have. So I think this is much more cleaner look. I can have different search criteria. I can have like from the airport also, if I have defined it. So you can see here we have LHR in the origin. In this one also I have LHR on the origin, and I can clear the criteria. I can have multiple combinations on this one. I can only search offer setup if you are only working on the offer. So hope this will help our travel agents quickly define and navigate through multiple uh, attributes of a particular airline setup. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. We are announcing a couple of more exciting features and enhancement for our clients in the markup and pricing promotions. So stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you everyone for watching.